Welcome back to Jeffrey Soul TV News. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share and also do comment if you have anything to say. Lana ke uBabes Wodumo, so I've seen this video komunye ke umfowethu kade ke nje enza ke i-comment ngayo yabo ethi ke abantu abake bayibona lapha na ke on TikTok it's real Babes Wodumo yabo. So le video le kahle abantu indlela akade bekhomenta ngayo makuza ke endleleni uBabes Wodumo aqhuke ngayo bekhomenta nje isikakhulukazi bathinta ke umzimba wakhe. So lana ke ngizokufundela nje ama comments okuyiwona wona mhlambe ke ambalwa akuyiwona wona ke athinte kakhulu ke abantu uyabo. So lapha ngikufundela ke i-comment esizoqala ngayo ekale hlohonolo uPrecious lapha ke uthini the real Babes Wodumo that we all know. That means lapha ke loyana ke comment yakhe is very positive, uthanda lokho kwenziwa uBabes Wodumo. Bese ethi lo munye ke Bakhadi was like did you book an appointment? I don't know ukuthi ke kusho ukuthini lokho, but I'll just check ama replies ayo le nto. How guys, she's been through a lot, let's be kind. I think loyana ke ube commenta ngendlela ke ekhomba ukungabi noma ungagculiseki ngendlela ke uBabes Wodumo mhlawumbe aqoke ngayo or else mhlawumbe ke adansa ngayo yabo. So as for vezela ke ingane ke izinqa, okay, ama replies lawa ale comment yokuqala I mean yesibili ithi ke uthi umunye ke we've all been through a lot has been through her yabo. Uthi abanye bathi ke boy it's not moving at all and it's there. All right, let's continue ke to amanye ke ama comment nganza kwethu. Enye ke i-comment ithi ekamalum lapha na ke ubani umalum Mels uthi ke wadunisela izingane nje babes yini. Omunye uthi ke itswape you all act like you have perfect bodies, leave Babes Wodumo alone hebana kusho ke amanye ke ama comments lapha na ke uRuru uthi ke babes uphelile manje ke kusele ke izinza kuphela. I don't know ukuthi ke ngempela how can you say le into leyana ke instead of mhlambe ke motivating, giving some better advice ekuthenini ke mhlambe akaye ke ejimini or aqoke izinto ezokwazi ukuthi ke afanele ke kuzona yabo. So because real speaking or real talk mayelana ke nendlela aqoke ngayo, okay, it's not appropriate for umzimba wakhe, okay fine, even though kunjalo kodwa ke mhlambe kunendlela yoku-addressa lokho, not to hlambalaza yena la on social media the way abantu ke engibona ukuthi ke kakhulukazi kuyona le video le they are doing yabo. Uthi ke nawe uphelile nawe usele ngezinza yaphela ke na umuntu njani ke cacisa lapha na sebephendulana bodwa lapha. There is a lot happening kuyona ke le post noma kuyona le video ka Babes Wodumo. Babes, can I buy you short that fit? Usho kanjalo omunye, okay. The girl is still on fire. Abanye ke bayancoma nganza ukuthi njengoba nibona nje amanye ama comments, how do you bimba your own dance? Kusho ke omunye. This comment inama likes acishe alapha ku 2000. So ama comments amaningi kahle vele anama likes amaningi ilawa vele akhomba ukuthi against ke indlela ke uBabes Wodumo aqoke ngayo futhi indlela enza ngayo. Okay, this seems to be i-post esethe ukubandala, but I think namanje I can see ukuthi ke akunabantu still abasahamba bayivakashela leya post leya bephinde futhi becommente ke indlela abakhomenta ngayo engekho right. Okay, how kodwa ke indunu ingaphandle cha. And futhi ke what I've noticed ukuthi ke abantu besifazane iningi labo laba ke abenza noma ke ababhala lama comments akhomba ukuthi ke awekho right yebo. But then ke bafethu, you do comment on the section down below, how do you feel ngendlela ke abantu abakhuluma ngayo ngale video ka Babes Wodumo? Do you see anything mhlambe ke wrong ngayo le video? If ever kukhona mhlambe ke ongasilo kunayo ngale video, please do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you.